Let's ask some interesting questions about the spirit world and religion in general. So here we go. Is there a God? Is there something called a God? Yes, there is a God. Alright. Are there many gods? Are there many gods? No, there are not many gods. Great, thank you. Can you tell me if there is one God? Only one God? Is there only one God? It feels a bit reluctant to say yes, but I think what we call the source is the one true God. So let's ask that. Is source the one true God? Yes, this moved more easily than the first questions. So is God taking care of us? Is the source energy taking care of us? Okay, it is a yes. What do we need to know? Okay, that is not a yes or no question. Do you have yes or no questions about the spirit world, about religion, about life? Then leave a comment below and I'm going to ask the Elrods for those questions.